Okay, so if you want to either start or grow your social media marketing agency, then you typically have two choices. Either you do it like most other social media marketing agencies and build up a business owner-centric business where everything depends on you. You have a lot of work and you need to care about sales and you need to care about the service fulfillment, and eventually you get more clients or you hire team members, and then everything is so complex because everything depends on you. That's what happened to me. I've grown my own agency to 43 employees and it was a total mess because we had no structures, no systems, and most importantly, we sold everything to everybody. And that is the root cause why growing a social media marketing agency can become a real stress factor. And instead of creating the wealth and the freedom you want for you in life, you just create a stressful job. And that's exactly what I'm going to help you avoid. Or if you are in a similar situation already, I will show you how to escape it. And the number one thing that has the highest impact on your profitability, on how much time you need to spend in the service fulfillment, on how easy it is for you to get new clients and onboard them and get them actually good results, is what you sell. In other words, your offer. Your offer is the glue of your agency. It is the core of your agency. It is what decides if you will be successful, if you generate high profits with relaxed work days, or if you just build a hamster wheel that turns faster every single month. And in this video, I'm going to productize a complete social media marketing agency offer that is designed to get your clients good results, that is easy to implement, and that you can streamline so that you can delegate the service fulfillment to employees or freelancers and get reliable results even from strangers. Because when the knowledge of your offer and your entire business is just in your brain as the business owner, then per nature, everybody needs you, right? And if you then just have a business model where you sell your time for money, well, growing this business just means growing your workload and your stress. And that's what I'm going to help you avoid or escape. So yeah, that's it. In this video, we will create a productized social media marketing agency offer. And right after this video, when you watch it till the end, you will be able to use it. You can copy it to your agency. You can literally sell the same thing that I currently use in my agency to generate 150 to 200,000 euro of revenue every single month. Relatively easy, right? It is so valuable that you can also get clients yourself with paid ads and the sales funnel, okay? And value for your clients is the number one factor why an offer is easy to sell and how you can easily get high quality leads instead of just relying on your network or burning your budget with ads because nobody's interested. The main root cause is it's just because your offer is not valuable enough. Okay, enough of that. So let me show you how that works. And we switch right over to this awesome productization sheet. This is a sheet called Productized Social Media Marketing Agency Configurator. And let me just walk you over the structure. So on the top right side, you actually see the profit. That's what will get you the wealth you are looking for, okay? And this is important. You don't want to sell just time for money. You want to sell something that you built for a fixed price. And the price should be high enough so that you have enough cash, enough profits in order to reinvest money into paid ads to scale your business to the next level. Okay, so in this case, where I have great experience with is building a social media marketing funnel for lead generation. Because look at it like this, why do your clients want your service? Well, not just to post images and random content on social media. That's not what they want. That's what they think they need in order to get what they really want. And what is it that they really want? Think about it. It helps understanding your clients. It's leads. It's quality leads. It's clients. Okay. They don't just want you to post content. They don't just want you to manage social media. They don't want you just to run campaigns and manage the campaigns. They want you to get leads, quality leads, so that they can convert these leads into clients. Okay. And to do this, you don't need to be very busy. You only need to have a streamlined process to set up a social media marketing funnel that attracts leads. And that starts with analyzing the offer of your client, what they want to sell, creating a positioning and a message framework for this offer to promote this offer, and then build a funnel, right? I expect you know already how to build funnels. If not, go to my channel, Flash Up. There are a lot of videos about funnels and lead generation and how to improve your lead quality and basically everything you need in order to understand how to build a funnel that gets your clients results and that gets you clients as well. And just one side note, if you want to implement a funnel and streamline the service process and do this much faster and with much higher accuracy, I've built an AI system that is an AI funnel generator that allows you to feed in an offer and it generates all the content for you. It generates the offers, it generates the ad content, it generates video scripts, landing page copy, and also an organic content plan that you can use to, well, build funnels and attract clients for yourself or for your clients. That's just as a side note. If you want fast results, below this video, you have a link. You can just, see how that works. All right. So the main thing that makes your offer easy to sell is not what you sell, the deliverables, but the outcome, what your clients get. And how we promote it at Bright Solutions is we have the offer that we built a funnel, a social media funnel for lead generation in 30 days. Okay, it doesn't take any longer than 30 days to set this up. And we work with our clients and optimize this funnel until they get 10 high quality leads a month for a client. Because then we know the system works, right? When it generates 10 high quality leads a month, it will generate 20, 30, 50 and more because that's the nature of a system. Once it works, it continues working until you break it, of course. So that's the setup and we sell it for 12,000 euro setup fee. In this example, I just built this plan here to sell it for 3,700, but you can easily increase the price depending on your country and charge up to 10K, 12K for the setup, and then a monthly retainer to just optimize the funnel and the campaign and get them better results, higher quality leads, and cheaper cost per lead. Okay, so the deliverables, what you actually create in these 30 days, you see that here on the left side. This is a list of everything you could do, and what I've put into this sheet is everything you have to do in order to set up a funnel in 30 days and get your clients 10 quality leads a month. Let's go step by step so you know exactly what you need to sell, what's basically part of your contract, okay? The deliverables are what you put in your contract, what you create, okay? And then you can optimize as long as required in order to get your clients 10 quality leads a month, which is your promise. Okay, and that's pretty easy to sell actually. That's what people are looking for. They don't want people just to create content. They want results. They want high quality leads and clients. Okay, so the first deliverable is you basically have an onboarding call with your clients or with your clients, and you just do the intake. You just get all the information you need in order to build a funnel. It doesn't take more than an hour. So that's the first deliverable. And within this call, in this onboarding workshop or strategy workshop, you create an offer definition. You interview your client and ask them what do they want to sell, or in other words, for which type of offer do you want to get leads for. And that's so important because the offer is the most important part of your marketing funnel. So once you define the offer, and I recommend you create a template, just like, well, you can copy this one. Okay, we put a link below the video where you can just get this thing here. And that's how we structure and define the offers for our clients, and you can do the same. Just feel free, you can use it. So the offer definition is the first deliverable. The result is this sheet is filled, okay? Offer definition done. Now you know for which type of offer and for which price point you should attract leads with your social media funnel. Second thing is a persona definition. That's very important because, well, even if your offer can be sold to so many people, you want to make sure that you only advertise it to those people that have the money, that can afford the price point, right? For example, if we did this mistake like 2 years ago, and it was very costly because we tried to advertise this offer of implementing a social media marketing funnel to anybody who was interested in. And even worse, we promoted it as the solution to get clients. And well, who needs clients most? Starters. Do starters have the money to pay 12K? No. That's a problem. While if we advertise it to established businesses who already generate leads or have a sales team or spend money on ads or have an agency, and they are looking for an alternative because they are not getting enough results, then they spend 12K easily. Okay, so you need to define the persona of your target clients or of the target clients of your client precisely so that you know for which type of person you need to create the message. In the end, your message needs to resonate with the right people so that they become interested in your offer. And that means you need to know to which people you want to advertise to. So the second deliverable is a persona definition filled. Okay, that's the next result. You can also do this on the workshop. Doesn't take more than 10 to 15 minutes. What we do after this call is we create a competitor list. We want to see what's the competitive environment our clients are advertising in. So who are their competitors? What are they doing? What are they selling? What are they saying? Okay, so that we know how we can position the client or yourself, it's the same for you, right? As a unique player in the market. Which USP we can communicate, which offers we should communicate, and basically what we should say. Then the next thing is the social media strategy, which mainly is predefined by the funnel structure. Okay, so the strategy is, well, we have an ad, a video ad, we promote an offer right in the video ad, we speak to those people that align with our persona, and next we have a landing page that is typically a sideway landing page in order to correctly and accurately track and optimize for high conversion rates, which you cannot do if you just have a long landing page and you don't get enough conversions, then you don't have enough data and you cannot optimize it. But that's a different topic. If you go on the channel, we also have videos about landing page setup and the optimization and how to use a sideway landing page in order to get better optimization cycles. So that's your strategy. You have an ad, you have this funnel pages, this 3-step sideway landing page, and that's it, right? That's a strategy. Then the opt-in page is the first page of your sideway landing page. You want to create it and set it up. So you need a headline, you need to have bullet points to communicate the features and the benefits of this offer. More benefits than features because people buy because of the benefits, not because of the features. Okay. And then a conversion mechanism where people give you the contact data in order to get either on a call, get a call back, or download something for free, which is a lead magnet. Lead magnet is not absolutely required. That's why it's not in this list of deliverables. If you want to create campaigns with lead magnets, you add a lead magnet as a deliverable to your offer. Price it, add it as a factor in your final price. And that's how you have an accurate calculation and make sure you have a minimum of 50% profit margin, right? That is revenue minus fulfillment cost. And this should be 50% minimum, better 70%. The higher, the better. Because the more profitable your business is, the more you can spend money on employees, on really good people, and the more you can spend money on ads to grow your business and acquire more clients, more than your competitors. Good, so the opt-in page. Then once your landing page is set up, you want to install the Google Tag Manager. To ensure that it's GDPR compliant, eventually you should have, depending on the country where you are, you need to have a deliverable which is cookie banner set up with a tool like Cookiebot or so. This comes after the Google Tag Manager setup. And in the Google Tag Manager, you add all the tracking required to track all the conversions in the funnel. You have the consent management included, which typically is integrated with Cookiebot, your consent management platform for GDPR compliant opt-ins. And then you create a social media video, which is a video ad promoting the offer, okay? That speaks to the person you defined in the persona definition, that promotes the offer as the solution to the problems these people have, and that gives them an option for the next step, which is what they can do on the landing page. Okay, that's your social media video. Then you have a sales page. That's the second page of your funnel, where you either have a video sales letter. If you create VSLs, video sales letters, you should put this as a deliverable to this specific offer here. If not, then it's just a sales page with content. Okay, you set it up and you don't need video. Yeah, and then you have everything. You now launch the social media campaign. You set it up on Facebook, add the video ad, set up everything technically, and then drive traffic to your opt-in page. Okay, and then you already get traffic and hopefully leads. Now you want to show your client results. That's why you need a campaign report. That's why it's another deliverable. You see, everything you create for your clients is in this offer defined. And if you don't have a report, like your clients will complain, they will complain because they don't see results. Well, they don't see it because you don't show it. You need to show results, okay? That's why a report once a month minimum is an absolute must-have. Now with this offer, what you can do, and that will really streamline your service fulfillment. You take these deliverables, and no matter which task management tool you can use Trello, Jira, ClickUp, Asana, whatever. Don't use Jira, it's way too complex. But the others are good, Monday or Notion. And then you create a template project with all the deliverables. And once you have a new client and you onboard a new client, you just duplicate the project. You have all the deliverables. You remove those deliverables that you didn't have as part of your contract. And you add new deliverables in case you added some deliverables that are not part of your standardized project, which shouldn't be the case, because if you add a new deliverable to your service scope, add it to your template project, okay? So then once you are done with this, it's so easy. It's so easy to track progress. It's easy to report your client where you are, what's happening next. It's so easy for you as the business owner to have an overview over results and progress based on data, not just like hope and meetings. And it's so much easier to also onboard new people because they know exactly what they need to do, right? You can break down the deliverables by skills. For example, you have a tech setup team that sets up everything technically, like the tech manager, landing page, etc. You have a designer who designs the landing pages and the ads. You have a video editor who edits the videos, and you have a content creator who creates the content for your ads and the landing pages. And that's how you can really, really easily grow your agency to 100K per month with a team of maximum 5 people, easily, okay? And that's what I would do, because that is low complexity and it gives you the freedom you want and it gives you the success in business, right? If you don't have this and you're just selling time for money and, well, complex retainers or projects, or you do everything clients ask you for, then there is no way to standardize and automate anything. You cannot sell this automatically with funnels. You cannot even streamline the service fulfillment. You cannot even delegate it without getting questions and back and forth all day, simply because only you know what needs to be done and nobody else does. So yeah, that's it. If you really want to seriously grow your social media marketing agency, consider selling this. Consider packaging your services into well-defined deliverables, into a productized offer, and then selling and delivering your services will be much easier, really much easier. If you have any question, put a comment below this video. I'm happy to answer. And if you got some value, I would appreciate if you give me a like and subscribe, because I will release new videos typically twice a week with content that helps you grow your agency faster, more profitably, and with less work, thanks to systems automation, structures like these, and AI. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and happy scaling. Cheers.